can you change the ringtone on Apple Watch 9? Now guys, stop looking. You cannot change the ringtone sound. So if you are trying to find for ways to change the ringtone sound on your Apple Watch 9, you cannot do it. You can only use the default sound. So if you have been trying to search for a way to change it, you cannot change the sound, unfortunately. So you can see here, if I press on my watch to go back to the watch face, and then if I go into my app screen, tap on settings. In settings, if I go down to sounds, so if I scroll down to sound, in haptics, you can see I can only change the volume. I can turn on or turn off silent mode, but there is no option for me to change the sound. So I have the default and prominent, which make that sound right there. That's just for the alert, haptics alert, but there is no actual sound selection which I can change for the ringtone. And if I go into notifications up here, you can see there is no option for me to change the ringtone sound. So stop looking. You cannot change the ringtone sound on your Apple Watch 9. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.